Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming two accounts, the Google account currently linked to WhatsApp and the new Google account you'll switch to. Open Settings and add the new Google account under Accounts. Make sure Play Services shows it as active. Once done, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, right arrow Chat Backup to view the current backup account. This first step prevents accidental data loss because you want to be certain which backup you'll overwrite or transfer before changing any settings. Next, change the Google account inside WhatsApp. Go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. Tap Google account and choose your newly added account. If it's not listed, use Add Account and follow prompts. After selecting the new account, press Backup Now to create a fresh copy on that Google Drive location. This ensures the latest messages move to the chosen account. Make sure you've allowed WhatsApp Drive permissions when prompted, because without those permissions, the backup will fail silently. To finish, verify the backup exists. Open Google Drive, tap Backups, and confirm the WhatsApp entry shows the new account and a recent timestamp. When restoring on another device, sign into that same Google account before verifying your phone number so Restore detects the backup. If you hit an error, make sure Google Play Services is enabled, clear its cache, and retry the backup. Permissions and network are the common culprits. Once verified, you're done. Your chats are now backed up to the selected Google account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.